Hello children, today we are going to learn the next new lesson in GK, that is lesson number 17, Anagrams. Lesson number 17, Anagrams. So an anagram is a word made by changing the order of the letters of another word. For example, but is an anagram of tub. An anagram is a play on words created by rearranging the letters of the original word to make a new word or a phrase. Anagram examples can be fun and witty, and they often end in hilarious results. One example is the word anagram itself. It can be written into nagaram. You can often find examples of anagrams in everyday life. They can be seen in crossword puzzles and games such as Scrabble. Kids and adults can both enjoy the fun in creating anagrams by rearranging the letters of words and phrases to make something new and exciting. Anagrams are often longer words or phrases that don't necessarily mean anything but are fun to come up with and say. There are also examples of simple anagram words that create random new words that are not relevant. Some examples include tar. Tar can be also be written as rat, T-A-R, tar, R-A-T, rat. Same way arc, A-R-C, arc, is an anagram of car, C-A-R, car. Same way state, S-T-A-T-E, state, is an anagram of taste, T-A-S-T-E, taste. Same way cider, cried, night, thing, grab, brag. These are all actually anagrams for each other. So on page number 23 of your textbook, you can see chapter number 17, anagrams. There is an exercise that is being given. So it goes, rearrange the letters to make new words. So we have been given 15 words, and they have also given a picture so that it is a clue so that you can easily identify the anagram. So let us look at the first one. So the first one is gel, G-E-L, gel. Now just look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? You can see a leg, isn't it? So the anagram of gel is leg. G-E-L, gel, can be written also as L-E-G, leg. So gel, anagram of gel is leg. Now the second one. So what is the second one? Read, it says G-U-M, gum, isn't it? What is the gum? It is a glue or something which we use to stick one object to another. That is called as a gum, isn't it? Now what is the anagram? Look at the picture. It is a bathing mug, isn't it? So it is a mug. So what is the anagram? G-U-M, gum, can be written opposite ways to make M-U-G, mug. So the anagram of gum is M-U-G, mug. Now the third one says tab. You know what a tab, you may call a tablet in short as tab, or you have the phone tablets that we use, right? Phone tab, that is also a tab. So look at the picture now to see the anagram. You can see a bat there, isn't it? So the anagram of T-A-B, tab, when you read it from backwards, it is B-A-T, bat. So the anagram of tab is B-A-T, bat. Now let us look the fourth one. It says T-E-N, 10. So the number 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is a number 10. Now what is the picture? It shows a fishing net, isn't it? You catch fishes using the net. So what is the anagram of 10? Read from the backwards. It is N-E-T, net. It is very simple because it is a small word. You can easily read from the backwards and get the anagram. It is N-E-T, net. Now the fifth one. It says top. Now what is the meaning of top? You say top and down, so that is one meaning of top. Then you have that playing top, the round object, right? You play with the tops. Those are all tops. And what is the anagram of a top? Look at the picture. You can see a clay pot, isn't it? It is a pot. So reading top backwards, you can read it as T-O-T, pot. So T-O-P, when you read it backwards, it becomes P-O-T, pot. So the anagram of top is pot. Now the sixth one is a different example. Like till now we used to read G-E-L, gel, and backwards we used to read L-E-G, leg, right? But the sixth one, it says E-A-T, eat. What is the meaning of eat? To eat anything. When you have something, when you have some food, you say you're eating food, isn't it? So E-A-T is eat. Now what is the anagram? What is the picture? You can see a saucer and a cup, and in that you can see there is T, isn't it? So the anagram is T. It is in jumbled form, isn't it? T is at the end, E is at the beginning, and A is at the middle. So you have to arrange it, rearrange it, and you can get it as T-E-A-T. Okay. So the seventh one is D-E-A-R, deer, isn't it? Now, what is the picture? Look at the picture. The picture, you can see a boy who is holding a book, and what is the boy doing with the book? He is reading the book, isn't it? So D-E-A-R, the anagram of deer is R-E-A-D. Last letter R, second letter E, third letter A, fourth letter D. So it is R-E-A-D. You can say anagram of deer is read. Now the next one, eighth one, is P-O-R-E, pore. Now what is the pore? In leaves or in our human cells and all, we have tiny holes which is called as pores. Now what is the anagram of pore? Look at the picture, you can see a rope, isn't it? So the anagram of pore is R-O-P-E, rope. Okay. Now the ninth one. The ninth one says C-O-R-K, cork. What is a cork? When you play badminton, shuttle bat, now you have a small white feather cork, isn't it? So that is called as a cork. Now what is the anagram of cork? You can rearrange the letters to R-O-C-K, rock. Look at the picture, it says rock. So the anagram of cork is rock. Now the 10th one. So the 10th one says C-A-F-E, cafe. What is a cafe? A cafe is a place. It's a kind of a restaurant where you go to have a tea or a coffee and all. It is called as a cafe, isn't it? Now the anagram. Look at the picture. You can see a boy, isn't it? You can see the face of a boy. Isn't it? So the anagram of cafe is F-A-C-E, face. What is the anagram of cafe? It is F-A-C-E, face. Now the 11th one. So what is the 11th one? Read it. It says break, isn't it? B-R-E-A-K, break. Now what is break? When you break an object, you say you broke it or you break it, isn't it? Or another break, you can say meaning is you have intervals during your during your periods. After 2 periods you have an interval, so that is a break, isn't it? We call it a break. So that is the meaning of break. And what is the anagram of break? Look at the picture. You can see a person. What is he doing? He is baking some buns, isn't it? Now what do you call a person who bakes breads, cakes and buns? We learned in the previous chapter, isn't it? We call him baker. So the anagram of break is B-A-K-E-R, baker. Okay. Now the 12th one. So the 12th one says below. Before we learned top, isn't it? Now it is below. Below means underneath, isn't it? Yeah. So look at the picture. What is the anagram of below? You can see the picture of your elbow, isn't it? So the spelling, the anagram would be E-L-B-O-W, elbow, isn't it? Okay, now let's read the 13th one. The 13th one says dairy. It is D-A-I-R-Y. What is the meaning of dairy? Those are products that we get from milk. For example, butter, cheese, etc., ghee, and all we get from what we get from milk. So such products are called as dairy. So what is the anagram of dairy? Look at the picture. It shows the picture of a diary. What is a diary? You have a school diary, school calendar diary, isn't it? So that is a diary. What is the spelling of diary? Carefully read the spelling. It is DIARY. So there is only two letters that are changing its place, but the meaning of the word has totally changed, isn't it? So the anagram of dairy is diary. Okay, now the 14th one. The 14th one says nails. What is a nail? Something that we hit onto a wall in order to hang an object or something, isn't it? That is a nail. Nail. Now, what is the picture? You can see this picture of a snail, isn't it? So, you can rearrange the letter as SNAIL, snail. And so, the anagram of nails is snail. Now, the 15th one. It says melon. Melon is a fruit, isn't it? Don't you all know a melon? Have you eaten a melon? Yes. Okay, so look at the picture. What is the anagram of melon? It is a yellow citrus fruit, which is a lemon. What is the spelling of lemon? LEMON. So melon can be written otherwise as lemon. LEMON, lemon. So that is all in this chapter. With this we come to the end of the 17th chapter. Revise very well and try to find out new anagram words which you use in your day-to-day life. So that is all for today. See you in the next class. Thank you so much.